Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Love here. I have created a video for you that is going to help you learn how to submit an assignment to a submission folder in your online school. I know a lot of us have been having some problems figuring out how to do this. So follow this video and I'm going to show you how to do it. You can watch this as many times as you want to. And you can pause it and go and try it on your computer as I'm showing it to you. So the one I'm going to show you today is one that we had assigned in class today. So make sure, the first thing you want to do is make sure you're in the correct class. So we're in our history class right here. There are many ways to locate an assignment in here. You can go to the word content and find it. You can click down here in the content bar and choose the location. Each one of these squares has a title. We are currently in Unit 1, which is called Changing and Growing, so you could just click there. You could also go down to your class announcements, and almost all the time I have them here, okay? So today we're going to just use this content bar. I'm going to select Unit 1. Now, when you click on it, it's going to take you to the last place you were at on that menu. Okay. What you're going to need to do to find the assignment you're looking for is look on this left side of the screen. This is our table of contents. On the left side, you see some things that I've put there. Then we have our unit names. The first unit is Unit 1, Changing and Growing. Under that unit are all the lessons that we have done, and they all have the date beside them. So today's date is September 17th, so I'm going to look for that one, and here it is right here, September 17th. So I'm going to click it, and then you will notice that the page changed over here. So I'm going to go back up to the top in this main section, September 17th, 1.06 homesteading. That is our lesson. Here's the assignment. I know it has a folder, a submission folder, because it's called an assignment. If it were called something else, it would not be a submission folder. But all of our assignment submission folders will say the word assignment right on them. So the first thing we were going to do is make sure we're getting the right one, and we are, and we're going to click it. Once it opens, we're going to follow the directions. Okay, this doesn't really have any directions. It just has the file. So what I'm going to have you do is click on the file. The first thing we're going to do, just so you know what we're doing, we are getting a copy of that homework assignment worksheet. We're taking it from the online school and we're going to copy it on our own computer. We cannot work on the file until it's on our own computer. This is like if you were in a brick and mortar school and the teacher was passing out a paper to you. You can't work on the paper until she passes it out to you. So this is how we're passing out our papers. We're getting the paper from the online school. Okay, so watch. You're going to click here and it's going to open the worksheet. Now, the mistake a lot of people are making is they're trying to do their work right here, which if you would write down on here, you can write in there. But the problem is it's not going to let you save your work. That's why we have to get that file onto our computer first so we can work on it and save our work. Okay, how do I do that? Well, I go up here and this little down arrow is download. We're going to click that and watch the bottom of my screen when I click that button. Watch the bottom of my screen. Oh, a little menu opened. It's asking me where do I want to save this file on my computer. See up here it says save as. Well, I have to decide. I have a folder called history class right here. See the yellow mark says it's a folder. I'm going to click on the folder and then I'm going to click save. Now notice I did not change the name of this file. You do not need to change the name of the file. Leave that alone. Don't write anything in there. All you have to do is decide what folder to put it in, and then you're going to click Save. So watch what happens. Oh, did you see this down here? We're going to let that stay there for a minute. I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to close this. Okay. Now I'm going to go to my computer and find that folder that I put it in. So I'm going to use my file manager to find my folder that I put it in. Remember, I put it in the folder called History Class. There it is right there. And here's my assignment. Now I have it on my computer. I'm going to open this assignment here because I want to use that page. Now it's opened and I can do my work. So I can type on here. Whoops. And I can put the answer right there. But I'm not done yet. When I'm all done typing my answers, okay, I have to go back up here to File, and I have to click Save. If I don't click Save, everything I typed is going to disappear. Let's check and make sure that worked. I wrote here the definition is. Let's close it. Let's go back to this folder. Here it is again. History class, or no. History class. Here's my assignment. Let's see if it saved my work. Look, it did. It's right there. So now I know that it saved my work. That's awesome. Okay, I'm going to do that whole assignment. Let's pretend it's all finished. Okay. We can get rid of this. Now I'm going to go back to my online school. Let's say I'm ready to turn it in now. Okay. So I got to go back to that assignment folder. I got to find it again. September 17th. Click on it. Okay. Go back to the assignment folder. Here it is. Wait for it to open. Now, instead of opening this file, I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to click, look, it says no submissions yet. I'm going to click Upload because I'm going to get the finished assignment from my computer and I'm going to put it in the online school. Watch. Okay, it opened my menu again on my computer. Now I have to find that assignment. History class, there's my folder. Here's my assignment. I'm going to click it and then I'm going to click Open. Oh, look how it popped up right here. See? Here's mine. I know it's mine because I just clicked it. Now, I can make a comment if I wanted to say something to my teacher. Here is my work. You don't have to make a comment, but you can if you want. And then I'm going to click the Submit button right here. And then it says Submitted Successfully. Now I know I'm all finished. I turned it in. Now, if I click Next, it's just going to go to the next lesson in the online school, but I don't need to do that. We're all finished. So I can just go back to my menu and I can go back to my home page. Now, if I wanted to check and make sure that I turned it in again, here's what I could do. I can go up here to this menu that says Tools, click this little arrow, click on the word Assignments. This shows me all the assignments I have done, and it shows me the ones I've turned in. See how this says not submitted, not submitted? So that means I did not do those assignments. I also do not have a grade because there's no number here in front of that 2. So I didn't do those. Oh, but look at this one. 1 submission, 1 file. Unit 1, Lesson 6. Oh, good. That's the one I just turned in. If I wanted to look at it, I could just click on this and look at it. And it's going to make me open it on my computer. But if I wanted to look at it, I could open it on my computer. That's not the right one. Sorry. This is mine. This is mine here. Sorry. Then it's going to show here is my work, and if I click on that, it's going to show my assignment. Yeah, here's the one I wrote on, see? Okay, good. So now I double checked. I'm pretty confident, but I like to double check anyway. So I'm all done with that assignment. My teacher has it. Now I just have to wait for my teacher to grade it. How will I know when my teacher will grade it? When my teacher grades it? Well, right here in this class update section, you will get a notification that says feedback is available. That means a teacher looked at that assignment and made a comment on it. Mrs. Love will always comment on your work so you know that I graded it. Okay, that's only for assignments. Okay, so hopefully this video has helped you. You can practice doing that, and if you have any further questions, please don't be afraid to ask. But good luck, and I hope you learned something today. Have a great day.